Here we have the pack strapping, the AutoPac 300. This is a semi-automatic arch strapping machine. Normally it's a foot pedal operated machine. Now it's got a nice roller tabletop that's used for, getting the boxes through the arch smooth and efficiently, and without having to be lifting it and dragging the boxes around. Now this machine is in for a little TLC, so it's going to get cleaned, and all the tracks and all the strap-in heads and the strap-in area, it's all going to get cleaned, blown out, lubed, and everything is going to be checked, and we're going to do a PM on it, as you can see here. Now we've got a whole load of wear parts that are going to be placed on the machine. We got springs, switches, and some other odds and ends. So all these parts, they're going to get put on this machine today, and the machine will be tested. We'll run a couple of hundred straps on it just to make sure that everything is working okay, and it'll get shipped back to the customer. It'll be ready for another few more years of hard work before we have to do any type of repair work.